Hello, my name is Sebastián San Pedro. My course is 10C. The matter is Social Studies. My teacher is Maria Gabriela Chavez. The Immigration and Migration. Introduction. Today we are going to talk about what is migration and immigration is, the good and the bad, also give our personal opinion, and finally give recommendations. Migration in Ecuador. Ecuador has, according to the latest data published by the ONU, immigrants, which represent 6.95 of the population in Ecuador. If we compare it with the rest of the countries, we see that it has a medium percentage of immigrants, since it is in 99 the place of in the ranking of migration. Migration refers to the change of residence of people from one place and another, crossing geographical boundaries, for example, from one region to another, from one commune to another. Immigration. Immigration is the entry into a country of people from other places, and immigration some who speaks through immigration to improve their standard of living and even their survival, both individually social. Conclusion. One of the consequences of emigrating to the other cities or emigrant is that you have to leave your whole family asset and support them from abroad. Something something good is that you earn a lot of money abroad. One of the solutions that is all gives is that the governments of the Latin America countries change to avoid all this. My personal opinion is that if we migrate it should be out of necessity, not because of madness. Thank you.